Hi, it's Jacob here, and I want to share a new feature on the iPhone 17 series where you can record with two cameras at once in the camera app. That means that the next time you're out walking the streets of Copenhagen with the Danish lifeguard, you can also record your own reaction to that moment happening in real time, which is kind of weird. In fact, this whole situation is kind of weird, but it makes for a good quick tip video, so bear with me. So here I am walking through Copenhagen. Well, I'm going to swipe up at the bottom of the camera where it says photo and video, and from here I can choose the new dual capture option. This only works on video, not photo, so make sure you're on video mode first. Now you can see my face has popped up, and I can actually move that box around any of the four corners of my screen simply by dragging it or flicking it to the edge. And this means I can position myself wherever I like, so I'm not blocking any of the action. I'm going to go in the bottom corner here, and now when I press record, my iPhone is going to record both cameras simultaneously. I'm going to record a few moments here of me walking through the city, and then when I press stop, I can play that video just like normal. However, the only downside here is that you can no longer relocate your face. You can't move it to a different corner once it's been recorded, because it's just created one video file with all of that data in it. But that being said, it's still really cool to have your reaction to what's happening on the screen and the action itself all in one file. But you might want to have a little bit more control than this is currently giving you. In which case, I would suggest the DoubleTake app. It's a video recording app, and when you open it, as the name suggests, you can record two takes in one go, so two cameras at once. With DoubleTake open, you can see that again I've got both cameras shooting at the same time, and again I can move my little box anywhere I want on the screen. But the difference here is that when I press stop, I can then edit that video. And then if I go to the gallery page in DoubleTake, I can tap onto the project I've just filmed. And you're going to see straight away that there's a clue here that it's two separate videos, because actually I've got the main camera and then I've got the selfie camera, and they're kind of like overlapping each other. I can tap onto either of these and view the video that's been recorded from that camera without the other one baked in at the same time. That means I can export both of these files, I can take them to a different app, and I can then create whatever video I like, whether that's a side-by-side reaction video or something like I had before with the picture-in-picture mode. And so this gives you the same effect we had before, but with a lot more creative control as to what the video looks like. But the downside of that is that you have to do that work to get the finished file. In the new camera app, it's all just there ready for you with literally one tap onto that dual capture setting. And so that's one of the brand new camera features on the iPhone 17 series with the dual capture mode for video. And if you want to see what else is new on the iPhone 17, like the amazing new selfie camera, please check out my YouTube channel down below. There are hundreds and hundreds of quick tips there for you, and I can't wait to see you next time.